Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. In the previous video, I told you that how to learn, how to begin the learning the process of English speaking, and I told you that make your write down 20 vocabulary whatever and pick up any random video. It's all right, but in this video, I am here to tell you that how if you know, suppose you know some vocabulary and you want to talk with the person. So in the first of the video I told you that at this time if you have not any person, so you can even that you can talk with the Gemini, Google chatbot and Copilot also. It means that artificial intelligent you can talk with the at this time. But if you want to talk with the person to person, that if you want to talk to just with the person, so there is an app on which you can talk around on the two, I think 20 minutes per day. It is free to talk 20 minutes per day. So you can talk, that name is ACE Fluency. So basically on that you can talk. I can't recall the exact time because I were using that I think 6 months before. So I think it give us around 80 or 30 minutes. So on that you can talk with the any person if you know how to some vocabulary, some sentence on that platform you can talk. So basically on that platform you will get another person who also the at the same position like you, and same position and also at the same level of your English speaking. So you will not hesitate to talk with them. Okay, so basically I came here to on my field to spray urea and zinc sulfate so that it can grow faster and also make it green, more green, because it have been yellow on the top of this all leaf. So basically yesterday I didn't made a video. I was thinking that what is the matter if any person want to learn vocabulary and so on and do so. It is only things that will he can learn by any way. But yesterday when I was talking with a person, told me that if anyone want to, if anyone like I am from my village, so when I was talking with them, so he told me that I am going to learn English speaking. He was not aware with that I am also making all this video, and he don't know that I can speak English. So basically, he was telling me that I am thinking to learn English speaking and to go so that I can go abroad and qualify. First of all, qualify IELTS exam. So I just told him and that I am also making all these things. So that's why I was. I thought that I will not. I can't. I will not make this video and do whatever I am doing at this time. But I will keep it doing because it will help me. I believe that it is going to help me in the future also. I don't know that it will help me in the 1 month or 2 month or 1 year or 2 year. I am going to dedicate it for 5 years. That I will see that what will if I am totally dependent. I am going to be depend on it total time, because it is not going to get much time for me. So I will keep it doing it. So if you want to learn English speaking, and all my video is going not, I was thinking that what should I tell. If anyone want to learn English speaking, he can learn by any way. There are a lot of at this time, but I think that I should make. Now I am going to make it. So basically, all my video is going to be like a blogs. So I will keep talking with you like this, and also make all my video in my field, or when I will go to my market or my hometown, my town, each and everything whatever I am going to do, I will shoot that and upload on the video, and each and every day I am not going to end it or do upload it a month or a week. I am going to upload it on the daily basis, so that it will make me a fluent speaker. And I am also afraid this video, I know that at this time I believe that I am not well fluent speaker. I have been learned. I believe that I have been learned around 60 to 70,000 vocabulary, but even that I can't talk with the person. Just yesterday I made the pretext that I will shoot in the market. What is the matter to shoot here or anything? But I when I just go at my home, I thought that I will shoot I will record it at my home, but I can't did it just because of I am also at this time I am not able to confront the person while recording. So that's why I came in my field, so that no person can disturb, and I can easily talk with the video and camera, because I you can understand. So I am going to tell you that on the 1st of January, I I am with my heart, I am going to say that on the 1st of January, I will confront each and every person. I am not going to hesitate that what he will say, what he will think about me. I believe that this is going to first and last my life. I am not. I don't believe in the reborn or anything else. So that's why it is my life. So I will do whatever I think and whatever I know, each and everything I'm going to in front of each and every person, because so that's it. So if you want to also learn English speaking, each and every person who know little bit English speaking should record himself, because if you are not able to if you can't upload on the social media, it's okay. But if you when you will record yourself, you will feel like you can at that time you will feel more confidence, and the situation of the you can see all around me that it can rain, it can rain today. So that's why I should do it fast.